tanong?
Sure, Ian. Speak your mind.
Curious lang po kasi ako, bakit taon-taon po tayo nagpapagawa ng mga kalsada? Hindi po ba sayang sa pera?
Well, hindi kasi maayos yung pagkakagawa, kaya kailangan ayusin yun, diba?
Well, sir, bakit hindi po tayo magpagawa ng matibay para susulit? Di po ba?
Hayaan na lang natin sila sa trabaho nila. Kabisado na nila yan.
Ma'am, interesado lang naman po. Bakit? Puro parties lang ba ang interest mo?
Mrs. Alcantara, what do you suggest?
Dapat siguro pantay ang budget at panahon sa paggawa ng infrastructures natin. I mean, I know it's not logical to build a good roads and a good sidewalk. Build resilient, safe, well-lit sidewalks for the people to be encouraged to visit nearby destination. Di ho ba? I mean, with more people walking, that means fewer people in cars and PUVs. And that leads to less road congestion. With all of this, I guess we would have multiple problems solved with a simple solution.
Ha, Mrs. Di naman ganyan kadali yung project development na yan.
What do your followers and haters love about you? It's your authenticity, because you are not afraid to speak your mind.
Kaya kilala ka din nila na matapang kasi you say yes sa lahat ng challenges.
Because you always have to always say yes, never say never, and live life to the fullest.
So bakit hindi natin gawing concept yung show nyo? Never pa kayo nakapag-skydiving.
It's a bit scary, pero why not? I'm willing.
Never ka pa naging traffic enforcer. Game ka ba?
Game!
Never ka pang nakapag-trapeze. Yes!
I love Zendaya. I'm willing. Yes, yes, okay. You know, you've got a show.
Well, congratulations. Congratulations.
Congrats!
Wow!
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Zoe Twazon, and I am your valedictorian. I'm sure that most of you out there have Google and Wikipedia to thank for finally being able to graduate high school. Myself, on the other hand, I only have one person who has continually inspired me throughout the years to be my best. Isang taong naging inspirasyon ko sa lahat ng mga achievements ko dito sa eskwelahang ito. Isang taong mahal na mahal ko. Ang taong ito ay walang iba kundi ako. Oo, ako. Walang iba kundi ako. Because if there's anyone that can truly appreciate how special you are, it's yourself. And that is why I am the best. That's why I'm standing here in the podium in front of all of you. Well, most of you out there could only wish that you could have done better. Thank you. And good luck sa inyong lahat.